You're the only one that came.
It's only me that walk alone.
Not the only you come.
I beg. I'm the only one that.
I'm the only one that came. I came alone. Yeah.
Only you that came. I don't know.
All right. Okay, welcome back. The word of the day we did for yesterday. And here different translation. You are the only one that came.
Yes.
Get what?
I'm the only one that comes.
I'm the only one that come. Different translation.
I'm telling you.
All right. That guy who hear Yoruba, I don't still understand Yoruba or speak Yoruba rather, but that guy that made me laugh past because we wear suits.
This thing will just get him.
You go to that Igboro, as in, I don't send you. Now, how's it go also? So, now what you go find? You don't go see the work. Come put the annoyance on top of our people. Any which way, that the word of the day be that, and sharply, we won't go on to the next. Quickly, the winner for that one, don't already know himself. They don't send the recharge card, go give them. But no worry, as time goes on top of the show, we're going to drop the word of the day. It's not going to be different, and not be something we're going to do like every day, because the Boston recharge card not be a joke. But any which way, we say thank you to all of them. They follow us on top Twitter. They battle this whole thing. People send plenty for Twitter. All right. If you still feel say you fist it, shall translate more things, no worry. As the show they continue, we will drop the word of the day. Just jam us on top Twitter at the Late Night Show at W Late Night Show. You see, they try to enter my head. No worry, we'll get them at W Late Night Show on top Twitter. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Izzy, you already? You already? Okay, so now we'll bring in our second guests for today. May they come follow us day inside the studio. We'll follow them in at the same time. They'll come perform their performance things. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg you to help me jump on our hands together as I bring on top the studio and inside the building your flames. Your flames. Yeah. Hey. It's a good life that we have. It's a good life that we have. Correct guys. Welcome. Alpha. Yo! All right, take a seat. Yeah. I the feels na swag. As in this swag, I don't know. I don't want to call the dark people their name, but I dey feel the swag. I dey feel the swag. The whole leather thing. Say, heat no dey catch now for this thing. The AC make brain a bit. But I don't know if you wear and take go for outside hot sun for Lagos now. No. Because now go cook. Just say your recharge is done. Your flames, man. Yeah. Okay, what you will name individually? First, we'll start from there.
Okay, from the name Your Flames.
Yeah.
You are Your Flames.
Yeah.
My name is Usman.
And my name is Razak.
Okay.
So the first initials of our name, U for Usman, R for Razak. Together, Your Flames. Like
your flames.
Your fire, your passion, your gift, your talent, your message. What makes you tick?
Hey.
That thing when the bomb.
That's what they make you tick. Me, I don't tick. Now Izzy be 90. Now Izzy be your tick area. But yesterday, Izzy be wait. Pass the message for yesterday on top of the night show with my guy Nedu. They say you soft. I still don't understand that thing. How they go say you soft?
I don't know what that guy is talking about. Even that more record it say be today bread.
But seriously, if man come meet any of you, tell you say, man, you're soft. How you go feel?
I'll say, man, you're hard.
But seriously, I say, man, you are hard too. Wait, are you a cement? What's strong to you? All right, but guys, quickly, I know some of they do dancing P. People that we first sabi una earlier know now on a dancing level and every and somehow they come across dancers these days. Shey for dancing, shey money no day again. Abi money has never day before. Abi wetin happen? Because every dancer now want do singing, want jump into movie or one thing.
Okay, what's actually?
No, as in you want una dey on the music P now. You understand? And we sabi na dancers before.
Okay.
Where the whole thing can't connect.
Okay. It connects because based on expression, we actually want to express ourselves, like more than just being restricted to people's songs. So when they do the kind of songs
Okay. So at least you go fit sing your own, come dance to your own song.
So no limits.
Before you go dance person own, now the contact say suppose they pay money for the thing. Because now they happen this day for the country. You play song, they say you must pay the money. And now they see the help now for the ministry. What's strong to you? Not provoke me for you now. I mean, what's strong about you? Now, for the shades they wear, because sometimes, see, this industry, they like this, the fake plenty pass original. Don't be joking. The fake way plenty for this country. They even when they form swag like this, man, not try me. Meanwhile, you don't chop. I never chop. I'm hungry, man. But I swear I will take care myself. You understand? But seriously, how you don't take beef for now? Say, so I enter the music things.
God has been faithful. Actually, going from one level to another.
Somehow, when I hear God has been faithful, I think about say, you know, just a fire excuse to just talk, say, hey, we they try. Say,
no,
God has been faithful.
No. He's not using a mouth talk now.
Is it bit you know?
You know.
This soft boy. What do you know?
May they use their mouth talk now, at least.
The pastor give you now.
You know when we come Lagos.
So not before Lagos, they even born on ourselves. But they answer Usman and Razak.
Okay, from Edo State.
From Edo State.
One Nigerian.
You are Nigerian. When they promote this thing, no, I like them. When people they ask me, say where I come from, most time I tell them say I be Delta boy. But at the same time, one of my parents now Akwa Ibom. But I don't understand one thing now, say any side will help your life. So just they talk, say, I'll be Aqua Del now. You understand? The two, or on the good, I say, I'll be Delacroix. Anyone will confess. I feel the crowd with Delta people full everywhere, I say, I'll be Delacroix. They were Aqua Ibom Plata, I say, Aqua Del. All join. I'm in Nigeria. Not in the apple. Not in the apple.
Soft Nigeria.
That be the softest. All right, but from Edo State, both of them from Edo State.
Yeah, brothers.
Oh, now be brothers. I said the resemblance this somewhere. This somewhere for the head shape. For the shape of the head and every. But now, how many tracks do you get now so far?
Like 8, 7, 8.
7, 8. You know, when people don't say 7, 8, 7, 8, you guys say they don't get like 3 will be off key. So you say those minimums will get, we never count the joy until we just arrange every.
7, 8.
Okay, 7, 8. And for all the songs, say now because that year most people been sabi una say maybe na gospel things na be they do. I been which one na be they do?
Yeah, gospel.
Gospel,
Yeah,
all right.
good
But
news.
I feel the swag on the gospel P.
Yeah.
You understand? Because these days don't tire me to they see the same thing every time.
You have to swag. God give us the swag now.
Okay. So onto the swag level now. Now be all this packaging and then the song can make sense join too.
Yeah.
All right, for those of you now don't know, they go perform for us before they come up for stage inside the studio here. And of course, now on top of that level, go take the much more break for the show. All right, but we'll get one of my musical videos. Right now, we'll go play for people before we continue with every. But tell us about that particular track.
Okay, somersault.
Somersault.
I know from the beginning, you know, they dance, like we'll be dancing and moving and
yes.
right from school. You know, we went to take, during we saw ourselves into competitions, different competitions.
Now, pitching you go the knack.
Okay.
No,
Not this.
Now, be a dog boys now, not gonna carry the pigeon for head.
Seriously, they don't
train us.
Oh, they don't train enough around the
Malaysia.
Malaysia. No wonder. Not the Malaysia boys there. They can form swag. Meanwhile, what they say, but just a knock the pigeon.
Okay, so for competitions, dance, somersaults are actually like
the
highest level
Okay.
of dance to express yourself.
Okay.
So
Now be all those
somersault flames.
Okay.
So we gonna make you somersault.
Hey!
Say,
Blood.
if you're not happy, if you're sad, if you cry, if you are down, by the time we make you somersault, you must smile. You say Bible talk say a merry heart doeth good like medicine.
My label. Now preach on. A merry heart do it.
Good like medicine.
Do it good like
Otherwise,
medicine.
If people ask us, what kind of songs do you guys do?
Yes.
We tell them that we do happy music.
Happy music.
Yes.
Good music.
Good music.
Good news music.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
you know
that's
if you
way
are
of saying
you know if
gospel,
you know
gospel song.
yeah you know if you are sad or you cannot you can sing.
Yes.
If you're happy you can sing, but if you are not happy you can't dance.
Can't dance. Can't move that body.
Not true.
You need to come from within.
Exactly. If you're not dey happy, you not feel the. Exactly. So that basically about celebration.
Yes.
About say okay when things on they make
Rejoicing, everything.
rejoicing, celebration, P.
Yes.
All right. So we'll quickly see their video and they will come back. We'll conclude on top every then they go do their performance. All right. So my producer I know say they on point onto the P. All right. So quickly we'll see some assault video. Will they come back now? No go anywhere.
Summer. We set this place on fire, the way we dance to show. We gonna blow your mind and lift you high from low. Yeah. This is the day you've been waiting for. Rocking on stage to break it down, screaming out loud if you want some more. Screaming out loud. Take it higher, top to the top. Bring out the fire, light it up, we gon' make you summer song. We gon' make you summer song. Yeah. We gon' make you summer song. Yeah. You never know. On fire. We gonna on fire. Yeah. We are flexing, we are rocking, we are grooving, we the party like in a summer. So much feeling, instrumental trilling, I'm singing them in the spirit. So much feeling, I'm singing them in the spirit. Attitude, Joe, get loose. I'm in the mood, I'm in the groove, I know it's not you. I don't care what anybody wanna say, I'm taking it down, I wanna play. Paparazzi spread the news, I say paparazzi. We gon' make you summer song, yeah. We gon' make you summer song, yeah. You never know, never know. You never know. This is the day you've been waiting for. Rocking on stage to break it down, screaming out loud if you want some more. Screaming out loud. Take it higher. Bring out the fire, light it up. We gon' make you summer song, yeah. We gon' make you summer song, yeah. You never know. On fire. We gonna
All right, okay. That's still the late night show be this, and we don't see some assault video. When I shoot that video? Essay. No wonder. You see, the way that they different. The way that they different somehow. The way that they different. You don't see the as the video clean.
I did tell you.
No, hacky, packy. What in Lagos, like, you see smoke. Unnecessary smoke from nowhere. The weather is just disinfected somehow. But any which way, your flames on the final P now. What do you expect from that before the year finish?
Okay, you're expecting our album to drop this year?
So your album will don't drop before this year finish.
Yeah, titled Your Gift.
your gift.
Yeah.
Your flames, your gift. Yeah. Some assault. Una get boxing. I will not punch your eye. Some assault, you're okay. But nice title, Sha. I like the angle to the titles of the whole thing. Yeah. Anyway, we shall be wishing her the best.
Thank you.
And then how the hotel meeting on top Twitter, social media handles.
Okay, just it's simple. Your flames 01. URFLAMES 01.
Okay. Your flames 01 Twitter.
Yeah. Same thing Instagram.
All right. Okay, so quickly, sharply. Now for here, we'll just match the break and then we'll come back, they'll perform, and then we'll finish every. Okay, so Easy Beat, just play for us. From there, we'll go this quick break. We'll come back, performance P.